How to fix we couldn't find a fingerprint sensor compatible with Windows Hello Fingerprint. So if you want to fix we couldn't find a fingerprint sensor compatible with Windows Hello Fingerprint, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go and search for services. Once you've searched for services, you will get the services tab, right? So you just need to simply scroll all the way to the bottom and you just need to simply go with an option which is Windows Biometric Service. Once you have the Windows Biometric Service, you need to double click on it and then go with the stop option. Once you go with stop, then you just need to simply go with the File Explorer and go with this PC. Under this PC, you need to go with the local disk C. Under that, you can go with the Windows option. Under Windows, you need to scroll down and find the System32 folder. Under System32, you need to go with Win Bio Database. So scroll all the way down to the W interface, which is right here. You just need to simply go with the Win Bio Database, double click on it, and then go with the file and delete and continue and delete that. Once you've deleted, now you just need to simply go back and then start the service. Once you've started, go with the startup type and choose automatic. Once you go with automatic, go with log on option and make sure that these two boxes are enabled. And after that, you can apply and go with OK. Once you've done, you need to restart your device, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then go with the second solution, which is you need to open up your device manager. Once you open up your device manager, it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with the biometric devices. So if you have your biometric devices option, you can simply go with the biometric devices and you can enlarge that biometric devices and you can go with the option under your biometric devices and right click on it and then go with the update driver. Once you've updated, your problem may be fixed. But if that doesn't, then you just need to simply open up your settings, go with Windows Update, go with Fix Issues, and you need to go and update your Windows. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then right click on your Windows, go with the Run option. Under Run, you need to type gpedit.msc and hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, you'll get this kind of interface where you can simply enlarge this. And here you need to go with administrative templates, enlarge the administrative templates, go with the Windows components. Under Windows components, you need to go with an option of biometrics. So enlarge the biometrics or just click on biometrics, and here on the right side, you will get all of these options where you just need to simply go with allow the use of biometrics, double click on it and go with enable. Once you click on enable, then it will enable the use of biometrics and you need to go with apply and OK. And after that, restart your device and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix we couldn't find a fingerprint sensor compatible with Windows Hello Fingerprint. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.